401k plans are one of the most powerful tools for retirement savings. Have you ever wondered what a 401k plan really is, but every time you try to look it up, you feel overwhelmed with financial jargon? Well, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Marie, and I've worked in the retirement plan industry for over 30 years, and I'm here to break it down for you in plain English. So let's get started. So what is a 401k? A 401k is simply a retirement savings account offered by your employer. You contribute automatically from your paycheck, your money grows and gets invested, and you get special tax advantages that help it grow even faster. You put money in and it grows over time, and you use it later when you retire. Here are the key things to know. It's sponsored by your employer. You can't open one on your own. It lets you save money automatically from your paycheck, and you get tax advantages that make your money grow even faster. Think of it as a long-term savings bucket that gets special tax treatment so you can build a comfortable retirement. Most employers, but not all, offer two types of 401ks, Pretax 401k and Roth 401k. With Pretax 401k, also called traditional, the money goes in before taxes. This means your paycheck feels a little bigger because you're lowering your taxable income now. You pay taxes later when you take the money out in retirement. Here's an example. If you earn $60,000 and you put $6,000 in pre-tax, the IRS only taxes you on $54,000 today. Roth 401k. The money goes in after taxes. Your paycheck is taxed like normal today, but in retirement, you can withdraw the money tax-free, including your growth, which is earnings, if certain conditions are met. These conditions are that you are at least 59 and a half and you've had your Roth account for at least 5 years. So here's an example. If you earn $60,000 and you put $6,000 in Roth, the IRS taxes you on the $60,000. You pay taxes today, but in the future you get to enjoy tax-free withdrawals. You can also do a mix of pre-tax and Roth if your plan allows it. However, keep in mind that the IRS does set deferral limits each year. If you're contributing both Roth and pre-tax, they're added together to get the total deferrals for the year. The 401k is popular because of its tax advantages, which helps your money grow faster. Tax benefit number 1, you lower your taxes today with pre-tax. You pay less in income taxes this year. Tax benefit number 2, tax-free growth, which is Roth. Your investments grow and can be grown tax-free later if certain conditions are met. Tax benefit number 3, tax-deferred growth. Even with a 401k, your money grows without being taxed until you withdraw it. Tax benefit number 4, higher annual contribution limits. You can contribute more to a 401k than you can to an IRA. Eligibility. When can you join your 401k plan? Most full-time employees are eligible, but each employer sets its own eligibility rules. Here are some common requirements. You may need to work at the company for a certain amount of time, say 30 to 90 days before you become eligible. Some employers may make you wait until the next enrollment period. Part-time employees might be excluded, but may qualify after they work a certain amount of hours each year. If you're not sure when you're eligible, contact your HR and ask them. Or you can also ask your retirement provider that your plan is with. They should have a 1-800 number that you can call. Next is employer match, free money. This is my favorite part, where people most often miss out. This is assuming that your company does offer a match. An employer match means that your company puts in money if you do. Here's an example. Your employer matches 50% of your contribution up to 6% of your pay. If you make $50,000 a year, you put in 6%, which is $3,000, and they put in 3%, which is $1,500. That's free money that you don't want to leave on the table. And here's the golden rule. Always try to contribute enough to get the full match. If you're contributing both Roth and pre-tax, they are added together to get the total deferrals, and then the match formula is applied to the total deferrals. So how your money grows, investing. Once you make your deferral elections, you will also need to select your investment options, and this is called your investment directives. Your retirement plan will know where to invest the money once it gets deposited. Your 401k money can be invested usually in options like target date funds, stock funds, bond funds, index funds, or guaranteed or stable asset funds. If you don't pick any investment directives, then the money will get deposited into a default fund, which is selected by your employer. And yes, your balance will go up and down. Remember, a 401k is a long-term plan, not a short-term savings account. So when can you take money out? This depends on if you're an active or terminated employee. If you're an active employee, check to see what options are available if you have not terminated. Generally, most plans allow for in-service withdrawals. In-service means that you're still an active employee and not terminated. Plans allow for in-service withdrawals of at least your deferrals at age 59 and a half. You might also allow withdrawals of your employer contributions. Hardship withdrawals. If your plan allows hardship withdrawals, these can be taken at any age if you have an immediate and heavy financial need as defined by the IRS. Loans. Some plans allow for loans. Loans have to be paid back through payroll deductions. So here are some final tips for beginners. Start as early as you can. Consider increasing your contributions when you get a raise. Always try to contribute enough to get the full match. It's one of the biggest benefits of having a 401k plan. Don't panic when the market goes down. Think long term. Remember, a 401k is a tool to help you save for retirement automatically while giving you tax advantages and sometimes free money from your employer. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what's one topic that you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.